King's School of San Jose de Ariel won the traditional All-Goa Carol Singing Contest. The contest was organized by Betalbati Cricket Club. Fatima High School from Madgaon were declared second and Presentation High School third.
Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the poor. From every village town, can you hear the sound? Can you see the light through the dark? Merry, merry, merry Christmas! Merry, merry, merry Christmas!
And now, news from sports. Churchill Brothers have failed to consolidate their lead at the top of the I-League table after suffering a shock defeat to Pune Football Club. Pune FC won by 2 goals at the Nehru Stadium at Fatorda on Wednesday. This defeat means Dempo Sports Club can now reclaim the top spot if they beat Sporting Club de Goa on Thursday.
Everybody expected leaders Churchill Brothers to take something out of this match and extend their lead at the top of the table. But that was not to be, as visiting Pune FC showed a lot of determination and toppled the favourites Churchill Brothers. Pune opened their account in the 62nd minute through Keta Manju. The visitors ensured full points with another goal that came in the 84th minute through Gurjinder Kumar. The result means that Churchill Brothers stay on 23 points after 11 matches. Second place Dempo have 21 points from 10 matches. After losing last 3 matches, Dempo plays Sporting Club de Goa in Panchi Derby on Thursday, and a win for Dempo will take them to the top of the table. Pune FC are now placed 6th in the table with 18 points. Our reporter from Fatorda, Mayur Naik.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.